If you need to find your GoDaddy IP address, whether you're using web hosting with cPanel or the GoDaddy website builder, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through both methods step by step so you can quickly locate the IP address tied to your site. If this helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, if your website is hosted on GoDaddy Web Hosting and you have access to cPanel, start by going to your official GoDaddy product page. Sign into the account that manages your hosting plan. Once you're in, scroll down until you see the web hosting section. Next to your hosting account, click Manage. This will open the hosting dashboard for that plan. From there, look for the cPanel admin button and click it. This will take you into your cPanel dashboard where you can manage your hosting settings. Once the cPanel page loads, look over to the right side of the screen and find the General Information sidebar. This panel contains important details about your hosting account. In the General Information section, look for either the Shared IP address field or the Dedicated IP address field. The value shown there is your GoDaddy IP address. If your plan uses shared hosting, you'll usually see a shared IP. If your account includes a dedicated IP, that's the address you'll want to use instead. It's that simple. Now, if you're using the actual GoDaddy website builder, the process is a little different. In that case, you won't be checking cPanel. Instead, you'll find your IP address through your domain's DNS settings. Start by logging into your GoDaddy Control Center. This is where you manage your domains, products, and DNS records. After signing in, click on your domain name to open the domain settings. Once the domain page loads, select Manage DNS. This will bring you to the DNS management area where all of your domain records are listed. Here, you want to look for the Type A record where the name is set to the @ symbol. The @ record usually points to the root domain, which means it's the main record connected to your website. In the value column, you'll see a number. That number is your website's IP address. In many cases, this is the IP address you need for pointing your domain correctly or troubleshooting DNS settings. So to quickly recap, if you're on GoDaddy Web Hosting with cPanel, go to your product page, click Manage, open cPanel Admin, and check the General Information sidebar for the Shared IP address or Dedicated IP address. If you're using GoDaddy Website Builder, go to your Control Center, open Manage DNS, and check the A record for it to find the IP in the value column. If this video saved you time, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple GoDaddy and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.